In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to Bush TV. So let's get started. Now, the first thing to know is that most Bush TVs do not support AirPlay directly. So if you open screen mirroring on your iPad and don't see the television or your TV, that's completely normal. So the most reliable way to connect an iPad to a Bush TV is using an HDMI cable. And to do this, you will need an HDMI adapter for your iPad. Let me show you. So if your iPad has a lightning port, you will need a lightning to HDMI adapter, and if it has a USB-C port, then you will need a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Now you're gonna plug the adapter into your iPad and connect an HDMI cable from the adapter to the Bush TV, and then use the TV remote to switch to the correct HDMI input. As soon as you do that, your iPad screen should appear on the TV automatically. No Wi-Fi needed. Now, if you want to connect wirelessly, your other option is using a streaming device like Apple TV or Google Chromecast plugged into your Bush TV. With an Apple TV, you want to make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, and then you want to open your control center on your iPad and then tap screen mirroring and then select the Apple TV, and your screen will then automatically show on the TV wirelessly. Though with the Chromecast, it works a little bit different. You won't get full screen mirroring for free here, but you can cast from supported apps like YouTube or Netflix by tapping the cast icon. But and now, if nothing actually shows up, there's some tips to troubleshoot if still nothing works. Is that you want to double check that the TV is on the right HDMI input, the adapter is connected properly, and your iPad isn't in low power mode, which can sometimes cause display issues. And once it's connected, you can watch videos, show photos, or mirror apps straight from your iPad to Bush TV. So anyways guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.